Okay, I am gonna work on this because that's who I am at the core. This kind of thing does drive me crazy. So it's interesting because you need this to be cut, but then that fillet needs to come up. And you can't just add a fillet to get rid of this. Oh, maybe you can. One. Oh. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, see, it's still there. So I think what I actually do is leave that fillet, and then let me screw around with this and hate my life for a second. Top sketch. Oh my god, I don't know why it's doing that, but it's driving me crazy. Bottom. I'm definitely just ignoring that white spot, which is definitely a huge problem for later. Let's do it to here since we already have that. Convert. Trim. Making it tangent so then when we build the surface it can flow over. Okay, we already did split. Ignore. It's like blown up. Blown it up. Duh. Okay. There we go. I forgot to turn that one into there we go. Other thing. My brain's not working more. Sketch. 3 sketch. I'm gonna lay these in from this point. I'm like eyeballing it, but we're gonna have this be tangent. And then holding shift, surface edge, sketch tangent face. May or may not be a good idea to do that. Right there. I think that'll be good. Alright, and then on, let's mirror this, we're just going to do it. Mirror about, right plane, yep. And then we're going to do a sketch on the right plane. And I'm doing this because it does matter. Okay. Like, all those surfaces would show up and it wouldn't look great. So we're going to look straight on. I think that's good. Alright. Surface, boundary surface, selection manager, selection manager, this side, oh, I don't need a selection manager for that. I don't know if I need to do that or not. Crap. Add feature. It wasn't done yet. Need to be in the direction 2 box. There we go. Okay, so we need tangent. And we've got these guys to keep it locked in. Tangent. And then, let's see if it even wants us to do it. Tangent. Might get weird. We'll find out. Tangent. That's so much better. See? Okay, totally worth it. A little weird right there. I'm not going to fix it, but yeah, I would 100% fix that for production. Just putting that out there. Create solid. Okay, so now, okay, so the file blew up and I hadn't saved it, and because this is like jerry-rig weirdness from hell, yeah. We're working on the other file now, so just remember what I did to fix this and do that. So what I want to show you is, wait. So you can do cut thicken, like I offset the surface to 0 here. Instead of doing ruled surface, I just use that surface to do cut thicken and then do this. I want to show you the issue with this though, is that it's not good for draft. It's not pulling down. So the red means bad. That's bad. Because it's going like normal to it instead of straight down. So what we're going to do, yes, is, okay, so we're going to edit feature. Oh, wait, slow down. We're going to slow down a little bit. Okay, so before, pretend this is nice and not all funky dunky. Surface, offset surface. I don't know what that thickness was. I'm going to say 3. You guys have to measure stuff. And see if it even does it. Okay, I was worried that I was going to... Okay, so I'm going to split line this. Top sketch. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with this view, but it's driving me crazy. Can I just shrink this and then it shrinks the view? Because there's nothing there, right? I've never seen that happen before. Okay. Sketch. Top plane, sketch. I'm just doing this so that I can, yeah, it does. I'm just going to connect these. Okay, well, it doesn't have to be exact for what I'm doing. Okay, so now surface offset, let's say that was, we are doing, which feature? We are doing this feature, so let's say it's set in 3. Okay, so now we have it. That is in there, but we can use the sketch. So we can extrude, feature, extrude cut, up to surface, no, not offset, up to surface, and then we're doing, let's see if it's going to let me select it. Nope, we got to hide this guy, then select this guy, and then show this guy. Say OK. So now you can manufacture it. Draft analysis. Look at that. Perfect. It's all green. Okay, so now there's that white bit around this. And I don't have it, so I can't see what's happening, but it looks like there's like a fillet here. So I'm going to offset all of this surface for later. 0.5, let's say, if it's set in. 0.5. Weird. I wonder why it won't do that. It's probably because it's so funky dunky. I'm gonna stop shooting myself in the foot now. We're just gonna leave this. Okay, now we are going to offset this guy. That's, I'm assuming that white is like 1.5 or less. 1. Hide this guy. Hide that guy. What is that? And then we're going to extend this going up. We're going to do same surface, not linear. There we go, I can just do that. Or not. There we go. We're going to do 2, just because then we don't have to worry. Oh crap. Oops. Edit feature. Don't read that little guy. Okay. Alright, so now show. So that's where the white is going to be. Alright, so we're going to do it this way. Alright, I'm going to make a copy of this guy. Insert, feature, copy, move copy, copy 1, yes, hide, copy. Okay, so now we're going to cut with surface. I had to think about it for a second. This guy, and we're going to do, let's cut this out first. I'll select this body. Alright, so now we're going to hide that, show this, and then we're going to cut with surface. And it's going out this body. And then delete, don't use that delete, we're going to delete body. Hey Sam, can you stop doing that, buddy? Sorry, I'm recording. Delete body. That, and then, okay, so now we've got this. Let's change the body color. Pink. Alright, great. So then if this is set down a little bit and your features... Oh, hi Sam, can you go see if that's Olivia? Buddy?
What?
Can you see if that's Olivia?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Hide. Oh, right, that's the one that we used. I wonder if I can offset that one. Offset surface. 2.7. It did let me. Okay, cool. So now I can cut with surface. So I'll select this guy. Cool. Did that merge? It merged, didn't it? Feature. No, it didn't. Just change the color. Okay. White. And then you can add that fillet that looks like it's on there. It's hard to see what's going on with that. But you just have it be the same amount as that that dip down. There. Alright. And then add your fillets in there. Leave it just square on the inside. If you were to fillet this, you'd have to fillet the white part too. Okay, so that's the easier of the two parts. So, yay for that, I guess. And then this part. So this part's all flat, and this part is not. I'm going to make another video for that.